Morning guys, Frank Z here on a nice little rainy day, collecting wood by the road. Truck's over here, you see it down there a little bit. But looking at these blowovers, yeah, it's good firewood, maple. I think it's soft maple, but I'm gonna start with this one, but maybe up here a bit. It should fall that way, and yeah, I brought my tripod, but it's raining, so not sure if I want to get my camera all soaked, but keep you guys in the loop of how she's going. Yeah, first try and get this one down, and then maybe that second one behind it. And we'll see what happens when I put some cuts into this one. I only brought the 40cc saw up with me, but I do got my Big Bore 61 in the car. This is a nice big rock here. Yeah, we'll just kind of see how she goes. Thanks guys. Well, took a few branches. There's still more over this way, but got all the stuff that was laying down, threw it all over there so I can just drive my truck over and load it up. I don't want to cut more than people will come and take what I cut, so if people want this wood, they have to cut their own. But anyways, I'm gonna walk back down there, grab the truck, bring it up here. Got a little pile here, a little pile there, load it up, and yeah, see where we're at for how much fits in the truck. Anyways, thanks guys. Oh, not a bad little load. Nothing like major, but you know, adds to the pile. Like this is all ready for next season. It was split before winter. Some of the birch wasn't, but that much wasn't. But yeah, she's all mixed hardwoods. Elm, ash, oak, maple, birch, white and yellow birch. So lots of different burning wood, but it all burns good. Maybe even some cherry in there. But this is all maple, so get the saws and stuff out of the way. And we'll dump her out. Anyways, thanks guys. Man, I wish I brought my tripod. I got this one here. I'm just gnawing off the branches right now. She's almost ready to come down. And then this. It's not big, but yeah, it's a good 2.5 feet wide. I'm gonna chop on this one here, see if it'll get the roll. I'd say it's probably that one. But yeah, just keep going. Like I said, I wish I brought my tripod. Would have been cool to watch. Maybe I can set up my phone here somewhere. Take it slow, you know? Worry about them branches in behind. Nothing too bad. It's not down all right. Not bad. Pretty big tree, but it's very rotten. Yeah. Anyways, thanks guys.